Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So we're gonna let namhla Pope Francis shushile emhlabeni ushiye namhla ngomhla 21 April 2025. Pope Francis watele lapha eJorge Mario atola mhla 17 December 1936, and he was the head of the Catholic Church, and uqale from 13 March 2013 until that on Easter Monday mhla 21 April 2025, which is today, of course. And he was the first Pope of the Society of Jesus, the first from Americans and the Southern Hemisphere. And ushiye emhlabeni akanabo bantwana kanaye futhi nemfati. Wayenza isinqumo nje wathembisa ukuthi yena uyohlala nganabantwana nemfati ukuze afocuse kahle ebandleni. Pope Francis bekangibhishobhi weMaroma. Guys, so uyatrenda nje, everyone is just talking about him. Namhla ekuseni people are shocked kokuthi hayibo so ushiyile emhlabeni njani na ushiya soneminyaka lengu-88 namuhla dengu-21 April 2025. May his soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.